When you having sex with your mom or your wife, your kids sometime watching you. You don't even know this. Before you having sex with your wife or your mom or anyone else, make sure no kids inside the house because they're smart and they're watching you. Everything you do, they're just watching you. And I invite you to watch in this video. At the end you will see what I'm talking about right now.
Always like to say thank you because you are sweet, honey. Oh my God.
Always make me happy when we got sex together, babe. Keep going, babe. Keep going.
Oh yeah.
No, if the kids over here. Dad, what you doing to my mom? Mom, what you doing? What you doing to my dad? What's going on? What you doing? Why you do this to my mom? Huh? Let me see what happened. What happened? Dad, what you doing to my mom? Stop it. Stop it, Dad. Stop it. Why you want to kill my mom? Stop it, Dad. I told you to stop. Dad, can you hear me? Dad, stop it. I told
Kids, go play over there. You see, I'm talking with your mom right now. Go play over there.
I want to stay here. I don't want to move. I told you that to stop it. You don't listen to me.
Please guys, don't do it in front of your kids.